In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a self-updating today's tasks list. It's a really efficient way to keep your daily activities organized by leveraging the powerful tools that Notion offers. So, let's dive right in and make your life a little bit easier. First, you'll want to head over to your connected workspace within Notion. If you're already familiar with Notion, you know that it's an incredible platform for managing wikis, documents, and various projects. Once you're there, take a good look around to find yourself already in the driver's seat of Productivity Central. Next, you'll notice a button labeled Explore. Go ahead and click on that. The Explore feature in Notion is like a treasure chest filled with strategies and systems designed to enhance your productivity. By exploring, you find templates and tools and endless possibilities to optimize your workflow. Once you're in Explore, look for the menu option tagged Templates and give it a click. Now, if you're new to Notion, accessing templates can open up a treasure trove of pre-designed structures and functions that can be crucial to your daily routine setup. These templates are crafted to minimize effort and maximize efficiency. It's kind of like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. Now we're getting to the heart of it. In the search bar, type Auto Update Task. Notion's search feature is fairly robust, so it should quickly bring up relevant templates. We're searching for something specific that matches a properly automated and systematic approach to handling everyday tasks. Once the search results pop up, look for Automatic and Effortless Recurrent Task System. This template is a goldmine for anyone looking to automate their task list, providing a seamless experience where tasks automatically refresh. It's indeed a smart way to ensure nothing falls through the cracks and that you start each day prepared and focused. Hit the Add button. By clicking Add, you're not just adding a template to your Notion, you're adding a system to your life. From here on, this template will sit within your workspace, constantly updating itself with what needs to be done today, tomorrow, and beyond, without you having to manually manage everything. It's a simple click, but what it brings is transformative. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a self-updating today's tasks list using Notion. It's impressive how quick and effective this process is and how it can revolutionize the way you manage your time daily. Remember, the key is making your systems work for you, so you have more time to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this setup takes your productivity to new heights.